You know how I talk too much and I tend to over explain everything? Today, I want to do thing a bit differently, and I'll I'll try my best to show this new work in progress, I'll say, which is a big project, without over explaining it and just like showing the function and everything, and maybe add some spicy comments from time to time. Watch out for the booting sequence. So we see that is this is version 8.3, which means I've went into a lot of update and bug fix. Yep. So I don't really like how the encoder is navigating menu, but clearly you can see that I like designing menus. So I bypassed the encoder with something I really enjoyed. If you're into the world of gaming, you'll see this beautiful arrow pad, or don't know how to call it. So, yep. So clearly you can see that I have a temperature and a humidity sensor as well as a RTC module, which has kept the hours pretty up to date, except for that hour change, because we went up 1 hour a month ago. Back. Fortunately, I can set time manually. And that's it. So basically what I wanted to have here, you can see that there's a lot of menu and function, and I really wanted to create or attempt to create my own OS, which I know is ambitious, and I'm far from having an OS right now. I just have some menus and some program function, let's say function running, um, but I'm quite happy with what I have so far. So that's the timer. Obviously, the scope is not accurate yet. I think I need to rework on the preamp for the electret microphone, but so far you see the point. I'll just go through setting. We can enable or disable sound. So far that's all we have in setting. And power is where I put the more work into. So we have a power save, which basically just turn off main screen and the secondary display, if we can call it a secondary display. Push to stop. Sleep, which is a bit deeper, and actually it will save more power if you're in sleep. And the restart, which restart the system. So clearly you can see from the look of everything that it's still a prototype and I'm in the early developing phase, but so far I have all my module that works together and it's functioning pretty solidly so far, except for like the wiring that is a bit shaky. But apart from that, everything is working really nicely, and it's based on the ESP32 dev kit. And don't hesitate to follow me because this project like clearly is gonna grow and become like more complex over time. So thanks for watching.
Son, how do you push stop on that?